All right, guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at another product from Torras. This one is going to be their screen protector for the 14 Pro Max. So you got your packaging here, some Torras branding, and then on the back, we have the Insta2 Master install for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this one and everything you get in the packaging and stuff like that. So we'll pull it all out of the box here, take a little plastic cover off, and you are going to get a little thank you card with a warranty activation there. You're going to get your install, little instructions there. We're not going to need that. You're going to get your cleaning tools. You are also going to get a squeegee. And then if you pop this out of here, this is going to be your frame to install the screen protector. And then underneath, you're going to get a second set of cleaning stuff and then another screen protector. So this is a 2 screen protector pack. So if you do mess up the first one, you do have another shot at it. Or, if you break this one, you can always put the extra one on. So we'll put all this stuff to the side right here. We will open up our packaging stuff here to clean off our device. So we'll put all that to the side. Put the squeegee to the side here. See what we get inside of the cleaning kit here. So you are going to have your wet wipe. You're going to have your microfiber cloth as well as your dust sticker. So we'll put all this right off to the side here. We're going to do it step by step. So I am going to pull off my current screen protector. We're going to get this one off of here. So we'll peel the old one off and put it to the side, and then we're going to start our cleaning process. So we're going to open up the wet wipe here, which looks like it's going to be a pretty decent size. So you just unfold this, and I'm not going to go too slow step by step. I did a screen protector video earlier this year, which took way too long, so I might just speed this up 2 or 3 times so you guys don't have to sit through all the cleaning and dust absorbing and stuff. So maybe I'll just fast forward this part for you guys. All right, so now that we have a dust-free screen, what we're going to do is we are going to take the frame with the screen protector on there, and what you want to do is just kind of double check, make sure that you got, all the dust. You can take this dust sticker, which is pretty large compared to a lot of other screen protectors that you get in the kit there. So you're just going to want to kind of go over this once or twice, make sure you got all the dust off of it, which it does look like we have off of ours. Just go over this, just a little bit. Now, a lot of dust falls off of my camera here and my microphone, so I go over it, just once or twice extra to make sure that everything looks good. I did power down my device as well, so the screen wasn't going off and stuff like that. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to just want to kind of blow the dust off of this here. You're going to find the top and the bottom part so you can see the little notch cut out there, and you're going to put this on your phone. Don't do anything with the plastic yet. So you're going to set it on your phone and then make sure that the frame is nice and tight. On the bottom, you're going to see a little pull tab, and it does say pull right there. So what you're going to do is you are going to pull that right out of here, and it pulls the entire piece of plastic out. And then you are just going to push everything down, up and down the screen protector. That makes sure that it, adheres from the middle of the screen all the way out. Just go up and down a few times there. And then you're just going to take the frame right off of your phone here. Just kind of pop it right out. And it's going to pull this little plastic piece with it. That'll be what's on the other side of the screen protector. So just pull the frame off of here. Pull that right off. Take your microfiber wipe. Wipe off all the dust and stuff like that. And there you go. You have a perfectly installed screen protector. It goes right up to the notch up here, so it's just going to be a little speaker cutout. So it is a full coverage screen protector, and you will be good to go. It covers all the way up to the edge. It is case compatible. So obviously if you use cases and stuff like that, I think I have one right here behind me. This one is going to be a black Kadabe case. So we'll just pop this on just to see. It is definitely screen protector or case friendly for the screen protector. As you can see, it goes right up to the edges there, so it fits perfectly. So you're not going to have a gap or anything with your screen protector. So this is going to be the Torras Screen Protector. Very easy install. You get your cleaning tools, your squeegee if you need it. You just kind of pull that plastic right out and you're good to go. So if you guys want to check it out, I will leave links down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.